Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. Zimbabwean artist Kiki Bird celebrated her birthday with a heartfelt Facebook post reflecting on peace, strength and gratitude. Writing, "Today I celebrate the gift of life," she expressed thankfulness for a heart that has learned to find peace even in uncertain moments, and for the quiet strength that God has placed within her. The hip-hop artist gave a special thanks to her support system, the people who love her, support her, and sharpen her, even in her darkest times, calling them a blessing. She also shared appreciation for her parents, saying she doesn't take for granted the gift of sharing another year with them. Kiki Bird is closed by thanking everyone who checks in and supports her journey, signing off a happy birthday to Winter's mommy. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.